There's another video. I don't know which channel he's going to upload this, but we're talking about love scam in the Philippines
Love
because
scam.
it's really,
Did I get
really
scammed?
fun.
She's just springing this video on me, so I don't know what she's gonna say.
Yeah.
So I'm worried.
So guys, when you are looking for a Filipina, you have to be very careful because there is one Singaporean. He's an actor, Singaporean actor who gets scammed with 1.5 million
Oh my goodness.
just because
Oh gee! Sorry, there's a motorcycle jumped right in front of me.
just because he's talking to a Filipina which is really pretty, but she's using an AI in Facebook.
AI,
Yes.
artificial intelligence.
Exactly.
What, to
And
create
she's
her
really,
face and stuff?
yes, she's really
Wow.
pretty. And the thing is like about investment. Like
Oh.
yeah. So he invested in like all online shopping. Yeah, something like that. So he lost 1.5. But I'm not sure if the money will return. I'm not sure of that, but maybe his point is like for awareness. Yeah, I guess it's also a good thing if some of the money return to him, but I'm not sure about that. And also guys, also my mom received a lot of scams and she encountered a lot of scammers in Facebook. Yeah. And even one of the guy sent her a video showing the US dollar currency and engagement ring, watches, Rolex watch, and necklace and bracelets. There's a lot of things there, and that guy even said that you need to provide 20,000 pesos so you can get this package in the customs because the custom hold your package, something like that. And you know what, like I told my mom that when it comes to chatting a foreigner in in Facebook, sometimes the foreigner don't have this perfect grammar, and also if there's also a perfect grammar on the conversation, it's a long and perfect grammar, sometimes they're just a Filipino behind that foreigner picture. Yes, because just last week there is also one office that Rapid Tulfo raided, like they're doing love scam, online love scam. Yeah, and some are Filipino employees. Yeah, they're doing that, like they're translating into English, something like they even scamming Filipino and even foreigner to invest, like especially in the currency, cryptocurrency, in the forex. Yes, some of that, like that.
Sorry, I'm trying
Yeah.
concentrating and driving. It's crazy here.
Mm-mm.
I want to tell you all about it, but she's on a different topic, so I won't
Yes,
say nothing.
and also guys, there's a lot of, especially the elderly here in the Philippines, that they're looking for a partner, looking for a foreigner also, and they end up get scammed because like most of the foreigner, you're the one who supported the Filipina, but why is like you're asking money? So it doesn't make sense, right? Like just like
Yeah.
my mahal, I'm not the one who give him money.
I'm going to connect with you and ask you for money to help me.
Yeah, like mahal will never say, oh, can you help me, can you send me money so I can open my account, because my account, they hold my account and blah blah blah, I need to do something like.
I did in a joke, when we're in an LDR, in a long distance relationship, one time I said, I have a question, and she's like really serious. What's that? I said, when I get to the Philippines, how are you going to support me? I said that to her, and she's like, what? And she went,
That's loading. Late reaction. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, guys. Like you're expecting that the foreigner will support you, but it happens in the, you know.
I can't believe people actually believe these people. To me, it seems like such common sense. I mean, these kinds of
Yes.
scamming things, but
Yeah,
I get amazed at how people fall for it.
exactly. Like imagine the foreigner. They said that it's a foreigner asking for money to help him to like for his allowance, something like that. Like
You know what's amazing to me? It might be going off, so you can cut this off if you want to.
Yeah.
But it's amazing to me, like of the few foreigners that I heard of on YouTube, like they run out of money, they're stuck here in the Philippines. They're not even asking for help. They just love the Philippines so much. They're on the side of the road, perhaps, you know, trying to start up their own little business of selling a few little
Yes.
bits of food items or something like that. They're trying to actually make a living for themselves because they don't want to leave. They love it here.
Yes.
So even when they go broke, they're not asking for something. They're trying to figure out how to make some money to live. So that's the
We
one
don't have
stories I've
parking.
seen. This is my second time around. I can't find a place to park.
just go the other, maybe some.
This is my second time around. Anyway, that's just my little
Don't forget,
insert.
you cannot park anywhere.
This is my second time going around McDonald's. There's no place to park. I want to park on that yellow spot there, but I know they won't
Yeah,
let me.
no, it's not. So I guess that's for today's video. So be very careful.
Vigilant.
Yeah, like especially in Facebook, guys. If you're looking for beautiful Filipina, you have to watch out and get ready to be broke.
It's coming right from a Filipina.
I'm not saying I'm not beautiful,
You are.
but some of the foreigner, they're looking for this kind of 36, 24, 36. Yeah. And now you end up, yeah, you know, getting scammed because you're so get fascinated to the looks that you don't even think properly that you're started getting scammed. Yeah.
I think we can park in the pizza place
Where?
because there is no place else to park.
Just go first. Just one round.
This is the third round. Can I park in the pizza place? Is
Or
that
just
okay?
if they don't allow us to park, then just a drive-through.
Oh, you want to park in the
Yeah.
pizza place? I think we should park in the pizza place.
Where is pizza place?
Across the street. Pizza
Ah,
place.
yes, yeah. So, I think that's for today's video, guys. Be cautious, be vigilant.
Yes.
Yes. Don't fall for pretty face. Oh my goodness, guys. No. And God bless everyone.
God bless you.